These microscopy images are hypnotic, aren't they? These images show a multiplication of Escherichia coli, a non-pathogenic strain, but certain strains are pathogenic and cause intestinal infection, mostly mild, but quite sometimes it can be serious. So how does these kind of images coupled with high-end technology help us fight disease? I'm a computational mechanobiologist. Don't swipe it, it'll all make sense in few seconds. These images were taken in a confocal microscope. This movie here lets us zoom in and see how these tiny organisms multiply. Do you know the game Pac-Man? Here we couple the video with the software that acts like the detective in the game, spots the bacterium, tracks them frame by frame like a tiny player in a microscopic maze. We use powerful computers to extract biophysical data from these dynamics. For example, how they grow, the time taken by a bacterium to divide, or the velocity they move to fill the available space. We can also track their orientation in space over time to understand how they coordinate and spread their propagation strategy. All this data, mathematical and physical, is essential. These studies help us understand fundamentals of E. coli and its pathogenesis and how we might develop new therapeutic strategies. Science is about exploring the unknown. The more clearly we see, the more wisely we can act.
Abonnez-vous.